Okay, I wanted to show you how to make a PDF editable. So for example, if you go to our portal and you go into Think Central and maybe you want to assign one of the pages for work. So let's say you're assigning, this. On a Mac, it is Shift Command 4 will give you this arrow. You can also use something called a snippet tool. So, and it can just take what you want. So maybe I just want that page and it's going to make a screenshot of it. If you're on a PC, these are some of the things, depending on your PC. It could be print screen, we'll copy it, or you might have to do Alt print screen. You could do the Windows key, Shift S, or Windows plus the print screen. Each computer is slightly different. If you don't know what yours is, you can always Google for your type of computer, what is the shortcut for printing the screen. But once I have it here, I'm going to now go into, I always start from my Google Drive. I'm going to click New, and I'm going to do a slide. I get rid of this, and I get rid of this. Now to make sure that my kids can't move that slide around, I hit the background and I choose the image. I am going to be uploading it. It should be the latest one that I just did. I'm going to click Open. Takes a second. Done. Now notice it kind of made a funky format because it's not the exact 11.5 by or the 8 by 11.5 paper. You can always change that by coming over here to File, Page Setup, change the widescreen to Custom, and make this a regular sheet of paper, which is 8.5 by 11. And now you have a regular size sheet of paper. The kids cannot move anything. I suggest you insert text box where you want them to insert. You can even say enter text here. Most of the time you're going to have your PDFs are going to probably be more Word documents. That was math. But it works the same. So for example, here's my drive. So again, Control-Shift-4 if you're on a Mac, or you can use something called the snippet tool, which is an add-on that you can get from the Chrome store. So there it is. I come back over to my presentation. I hit Insert, Image, or actually, I want this to be a background. Choose, and I'm going to upload. And I'm going to click the screenshot, Open. Done. So now the kids can't move anything around. And if I want to, I can insert my text boxes here and I can say type here, and then the kids will have a space, or your students will have a space to insert their text.